Hello everybody. So today we are going to unpack and put together a caulking gun. This is electronic. It's kind of a new little gadget that I'm excited to try out. So our first step is let's get this thing unboxed and see what we're working with. All right, so we got it unpacked. It comes with the caulk gun itself, and then a replacement for the plunger, for the tip here, this plunger part. So we're gonna put that aside. A couple things with this are that this barrel does come off if you need to. To do that, you pull this little switch here on top, rotate it 90 degrees, and it pulls right out. And to put it back on, same deal, you put it in there at 90 degrees, and then you just rotate it till it clicks. So you have the trigger, you have a lock here. This lock is a trigger lock, so if you press the trigger and pull that down, the trigger stays engaged until you click it again and it comes back off. Turn it on and off, the button up here, and then you have your plunger here that you have to pull all the way back in order to load the gun. So this is battery operated. It does not come with a battery, so I grabbed four AA batteries. So you press this little button on the side, swing it open, and then you can load it in, and just make sure you load it correctly. Then after you have it loaded, just rotate that down and click it back in. And if we hit our trigger, you can hear it working. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and load. All right, so to load it, I pulled this all the way back. And then I just have some basic caulk here, and we slide that in and up, and then pull the trigger. You can kind of see this is moving, so it's going to go until a little bit comes out. All right, so it hit. So I'm going to wipe that off here. So some of the things I'm curious on is if it'll be a continuous or if it just stops, or if you have to relieve any of the pressure. I don't think you have to. So I just have a scrap piece of wood here. We're just gonna start. We're gonna hit it. Put the bead on. I'm gonna call stop, and it does stop. So there's a little bit that came out, but there's not a lot of pressure on there. Your traditional caulk gun, you do have to hit that little trigger on the back in order to get it to stop. So that's pretty cool. So let's try this lock. Again, this lock is right here. So you hit your trigger, you pull that down, and now it's locked. And we pull our bead. So to unlock it, you have to push that lock piece back up. So to unlock it, push that up. So it is pretty cool. Pretty cool gun compared to the manual one. You know, you keep hitting the trigger and you have to hit that release. So I like it. I think it's pretty cool. I'm looking forward to using it on some projects. Especially I like that it's no drip. So once you stop pressing the trigger, it stops pushing any pressure on it and it stops pushing it out. Anyone that's done caulking, the biggest pain in the butt is hitting that thing and some more squirts out or it's dripping or whatever. So overall, a pretty cool product. You can get this on Amazon. I have a link in the description below. So I'd encourage you to go out there, take a look at it, read some reviews, see what you think. I think it'll save the hand. It'll be an electronic. The box says it lasts up to 4 hours. So pretty cool gadget that I'm looking forward to getting some heavy use out of. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns on this thing, please leave them in the comments below. Hit like, subscribe, and all that, and we will talk to you soon.